Hello friends, welcome to my last video of literal equations, and this time we are going to solve the harder problems. Level 3. B is equal to 21u minus 5ab divided by u minus a. We are solving for u. So step 1, just get rid of the denominator part by multiplying u minus a both sides. u minus a, u minus a. So u minus a into b equal to 21u minus 5ab. That means ub minus ab. I'm expanding this expression using the distributive property. ub minus ab equal to 21u minus 5ab. Let's bring together those expressions that have u in it. So 21u. If we do minus 21u both sides, then ub minus 21u minus ab, 6ab. Minus ab, to get rid of minus ab this side, we do plus ab both sides. And make u common, b minus 21 is equal to minus 5ab plus ab equal to minus 4ab. So u is equal to minus 4ab divided by b minus 21 in parentheses. Let's go to the next problem. So here we're solving for t. Step 1, just the other problem, just get rid of the denominator by multiplying 2 both sides. 27d plus root 3 is equal to 19 times 2 is 38. See, I'm subtracting root 3 both sides so that this side will be unknown or whatever the solving of d. We're trying to solve for d, and this side the other terms. So 27d equal to 38c minus root 3. We can solve for d. We can find out the solution by simplifying divide both sides by 27. Or you can say we try to get rid of the 27 when we divide both sides by 27. Root 3 by 27. Next problem. So you see, this is the expression we are trying to solve for t. To do that, let's get rid of minus y both sides by doing plus y. So 7z by t minus 6 by t equal to y. Between these two terms, 1 by t is common. If it's 1 by t, it is 7z minus 6 equal to y. So 1 by t is equal to y by 7z minus 6. I just divide both sides by 7z minus 6 to get rid of 7z minus 6 from left hand side. So what we get? 1 by t equal to y by 7z minus 6. Let's do the reciprocal both sides. So if we do reciprocal of both sides, it will be t equal to 7z minus 6 by y. So reciprocal means I just make it the numerator as a denominator and denominator is a numerator. But when you do that, you have to make sure you do in both sides. You should not do one side keep as it is and one side is reciprocal. If we try this process, make sure you do the reciprocal both sides. Here I'm just flipping the left hand side, also flipping the right hand side. So this is our solution. Next, this is the expression we are trying to find R. Let's distribute this using the distributive property. Let's expand this expression. 2R minus 2 into 5 is 10 is equal to 5 into 2, 30. 5 into S is 15S. Our R is here. So just get rid of minus 10 by doing plus 10 both sides. 2R equal to 30 minus 15S plus 10. We can do the right hand side into this simplest form. 30 plus 10 is 40 minus 15S. To get rid of 2, we have to divide both sides by 2. 40 minus 15S by 2. So R is equal to 40 minus 15S by 2. That's our final answer. Move on to this kind of problems. 1 by F equal to 1 by A plus 1 by B, and we're solving for F. Step 1. Let's work with the right hand side. AB is the LCM, that means B plus A. 1 by F equal to A plus B. We're just using the commutative property. So just like the previous problem, I'm flipping the right hand side as well as the left hand side, both sides. So F will be AB by A plus B. Remember, according to the last two problems, when we flip the left hand side, we have to flip the right hand side too. So I flip the both right hand side and the left hand side. So that gives us the value of F. Next, x square by a square minus y square of b square equal to 1. We have to solve for A. Let's keep it the left hand side A, and I am putting the other variables on the left hand side, right hand side, sorry. Y square by b square plus y square by b square. So 1 plus y square plus b square. We can do a little simplification to make it simpler. So b square plus y square equal to b square. Now we'll try to solve for a. It is a square. That's fine. Just multiply both sides of a square, or you can do the cross multiplication. It means b square into x square, or a square into b square y square. A square equal to b square plus y square. Now, next step, just get rid of this part. B square plus y square, b square plus y square. So x square by b square plus b square plus y square is equal to a square. Now, we found a square, but look at, they are asking to solve for a. So a will be root under plus minus b square, x square b square by b square plus y square. This is our last problem of this video. P equal to r minus c by n. We have to get rid of n part, and we're solving for r. So for that, we have to first get rid of this n side, this denominator part n. And for that, as we know, we have to multiply both sides by n. So Pn equal to R minus C. If we get rid of minus C from right hand side, only R will be remaining. Plus C. So Pn plus C equal to R. This is the answer of this literal equation. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it is useful. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.